Okay, so on this video, I'm going to show you how to send a request for payment directly to a contact. So on the menu, we're going to go to contacts, and then we're going to select the contact that we want to send the payment or send the payment request to. So we're going to select this one here. And at the bottom of the screen in the area where you can send or type the message in, down here at the bottom are some menu options. We're going to select the one that has a $sign on it. And if you see, this one says request payment. So we're going to click on that. And then a screen will pop up that'll allow you to input the information for the payment request. So you're pretty much creating a small invoice to be able to send out to them. So if you have like a one-off, this would be good to use that for. But let's say we're going to enter in an item name. So let's say we're just going to put in admin work, and then we're going to price it at $50. You can also add additional items in here as well if you need to. And you can also just click on the X to delete them if you added too many or if it was incorrect, anything like that. You want to put an invoice due date on here as well too. So when you click inside of here, this box will pop up, and you can just click on whatever date that the invoice is due. So right now, I'll leave it on the 3rd. And for additional options, you can test it, or you can just make it go live. Testing it will just send out a sample. It won't work, but so you have to make sure this is live, but the default shows up as live. Once you have this set up, you can preview it by clicking on this button, and then you will select the copy link and mark as sent once you're done. So we're going to click on that. And as you can see in the subject here, in the body of the message, it'll put in the contact's name, and then it'll put in the payment link here. At the end, here to have your company name. But this is ready to go. You can select the send button here in order to send it. If you don't, it's not going to send the email out to them. But the invoice is created. So that is there for you to be able to see. And that's how you send a request for a payment via email.